What's the meaning of choccy? Choccy. Choccy.
Chalky. Chalky. Chalky is a slang term for chocolate. It can refer to any type of chocolate, such as bars, candy, or desserts. The term is often used playfully or affectionately by people who enjoy chocolate or have a sweet tooth. Since chocolate is a popular treat around the world, the word chalky has become a widely recognized and beloved term. Whether you're indulging in a piece of rich, creamy chocolate or sharing a box of chocolates with friends, the term chalky adds a fun and lighthearted touch to any chocolate-related discussion.